For a complete forecast, here's KATC meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, just lovely weather across the area again today. Humidity beginning to come up a little bit, but not to the point where it's uncomfortable. Tomorrow, much the same. But as we get deeper in the 10-day forecast, humidity up, temperatures up a little bit, but it's going to be a wet pattern with daily rain chances each and every day in our 10-day forecast. So here we go. First, candidate number one, a disturbance aloft that's in Texas. It's been producing storms today. Severe weather back toward the Texas Hill Country. There were a couple of tornadoes with that system as well. This impulse will be pushing across the area tomorrow. It's going to be weaker, but it should help to ignite some shower activity, and many times we'll go 20% chance, and then we get bitten, and we wind up getting about a 50 or 60% chance. Thus, I'm going 40% for tomorrow. A lot of the model data 20, 30, 40%. So we'll go a little bit on the higher end as these systems tend to spank us in the weather lab for sure. So as we take a look at the model forecast, here's Futurecast. Quiet night tonight. Clouds on the increase as we head toward tomorrow morning. Could even be a few pop-up showers in the morning, and as the day wears on, there's going to be scattered activity around and about the area. Maybe an isolated thunder shower or two. We won't call it a thunderstorm. There'll be small systems, and we'll see showers again on and off into the afternoon. But the day overall is not going to be a bad day. Just a few passing showers, and in between plenty of sun cloud mix. So temperatures getting into the low to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. Quiets down tomorrow night, and as we head into Thursday, not all the models indicating yet, but we're going to probably have better coverage of showers and storms Thursday with rain chances closer to about 60% or so. And we see this on the European model. We get into Thursday, we have a little bit more activity across the area. Notice high pressure off to the east. That's going to be helping funnel the moisture northward with low pressure to the west. Then it gets a little bit more interesting toward the weekend. You see green during the day, not at night, and then during the day, a little bit of an upper level low is going to be developing here, meandering in Texas, and then maybe a tropical hybrid develops here out in the Caribbean, but no threat to the Gulf. But this is the low we'll watch because it's going to meander around for a couple of days, and systems like this are notorious for producing flooding rainfall. We don't see that quite yet, but this is something that we're going to keep an eye on. And that system meanders around. That other tropical system moves out in the Atlantic, and then high pressure builds along the east coast, ensuring we almost have a monsoonal flow coming from the deep tropics down in the Caribbean all the way into the western Gulf of Mexico, keeping us wet and much of Texas wet as well. And that continues well beyond the 7 to 10 day forecast, so keep that in mind. Rainfall wise, we'll just look at the Euro right now. Kind of early to figure out how much rain we're going to see, but right now, heaviest rains Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, anywhere 5 inches. Yellow is up to 8 inches, and there are a few hot spots hotter than that. So watch that. We'll talk more about that and have the GFS forecast coming up tonight at 10. And as for the tropics, we don't like talking about systems that get a name just for getting a name and then developing and are subtropical systems and not going to affect land. But here we are. Just a reminder that hurricane season is about 3 weeks away, and about a 50% chance of something developing here toward the weekend, as we showed you in that European model. So something we'll keep an eye on. Temperature wise, tonight mid-60s the low. Tomorrow we'll push it into the middle 80s. So a lovely evening tonight. Milder temperatures, clouds on the increase overnight tonight. Then for tomorrow, 84, 85 the high with scattered showers and a few thunder showers with the sun and cloud mix in between. Another breezy day tomorrow as well. There are your rain chances, up and down rain chances, and rain chances each and every day with highs in the mid 80s, maybe upper 80s on a day where we don't have much shower activity, and those overnight lows getting closer to 70. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.